You are here again, hurting, questioning, looking at the ceiling or the sky, asking, why is this happening to me? But what if I told you, it's not happening to you, it's happening for you, or more precisely, through you. You think this pain is punishment, but that's the first lie. Pain is not here to punish, it's here to refine, to strip, to reveal, to forge. You are not a victim, you are in a transformation chamber, and yes, it hurts. They raised you to believe that comfort is the goal, that happiness is a destination, that if something hurts, something is wrong. But what if that's exactly why you are stuck? Because you were trying to fear discomfort, to medicate every ache, to avoid every shadow. But ease doesn't forge anything. To confuse ease with truth. Comfort never made anyone powerful. If your soul is calling you to grow, it will do so through pressure. The lie says, if it hurts, it's bad. But truth whispers, if it hurts, pay attention. Pain isn't the villain, it's a signal. It tells you that something inside you is too small for who you are becoming. When your body hurts, it's calling your attention. When your heart aches, it's pointing to attachment. When your mind suffers, it's revealing misalignment. So the next time it hurts, don't ask why I am being punished. Ask what part of me is too fragile to survive what I am becoming. Because that's what pain does. It exposes the parts of you that cannot come with you to the next level. You say you want to evolve. You say you want peace. You say you want strength, clarity, freedom. Then what do you think would happen? That you would be just given it? That you could stay soft, deluded, reactive, and somehow arrive at mastery? No. Every version of you that wants peace must first be tested by the opposite. Every version of you that wants power must be dragged through weakness. That's not cruelty, that's precision. You are in a forge. The heat is high because the blade must be sharp. Stop fighting the fire. Let it shape you. Think. What hurts you right now? A loss, a betrayal, a failure, loneliness. Zoom out. Look beyond the story. Look at the structure underneath. What is it teaching you? That you expected someone to save you? That your identity was tied to an outcome? That you were chasing illusions instead of truth? Pain is always telling you something, and if you don't listen the first time, it will become louder and sharper and colder, not to punish you, but to get your attention. Right now, it may feel like you are buried. But what if you are not in a grave? What if you are in a womb? Darkness doesn't always mean death. It can mean becoming. The seed doesn't know it's about to sprout. It just feels pressure, isolation, darkness, and yet it breaks open and becomes something new. You feel broken, good, because what you are isn't all you are meant to be. You think you are afraid of pain, but really you are afraid of letting go. Of the identity built on fear, of the comfort of victimhood, of the people who only loved you when you were small. But pain doesn't come to kill you. It comes to kill who you are not. It's taking the soft parts, the reactive parts, the petty parts, and offering them to fire. So that what remains is clear, sharp, untouchable. Not perfect, but aware. Once you start seeing pain this way, you will never be able to go back to numbing, to pretending, to spiritual fluff, to victim stories, to blaming the world. You will start asking better questions. What is this trying to make me see? What version of me is dying? What truth have I been avoiding? What strength is trying to nudge? You will stop wishing for the pain to stop and start extracting value from it. Because now you are not just surviving, you are evolving. Here is the part no one tells you. Sometimes the pain won't stop quickly. Sometimes it lingers. It stretches into months, maybe years. And you will think, am I cursed? No. You are just being remade at a deeper level. The longer it stays, the more radical the transformation. If you allow it. But if you resist it, distract it, numb it, avoid it, it stays longer and teaches nothing. You can't escape this process, but you can cooperate with it. And when you do, it moves faster, sharper, cleaner. The question is no longer, why is this happening to me? The question is, what is this pain trying to turn me into? If you sit with that, if you truly listen, you will notice something. The part of you watching this, the one listening, thinking, questioning, that part isn't breaking. It's observing. It's growing. It's becoming something unshakable. That's you, the real you. The one this pain was sent to wake up. So finally, let the pain come. Not with blind acceptance, but with awareness. Watch it, study it, extract the lesson, and as it sharpens you, you will stop fearing it. Because now you will see it clearly. Pain is not punishment. Pain is a doorway. And you are finally ready to walk through.